Welcome to the reading. If this reading found you, then there's a message here for you or someone you know. You have found the exit. Before I begin with the cards, I have several numbers and a couple of songs, per the usual. The first number is 737, and it's bolster spiritual practices and seek higher wisdom. I got 838, stay positive and treat others with kindness. Always good things to keep in mind. Also 848, good things go in, good things come out. Okay. I'm also getting from that as above, so below. Okay, as within, so without. I got 919. You've outgrown old versions of yourself and are ready for the next step. And strangely, I got 404, and I got error code, internet page not found. So maybe someone's looking for you online. I also got 525. You may be called to overcome barriers so you can level up and manifest your dreams. And 626, which is an area code for parts of LA County. So someone may live in that area. Okay, so the first song is, I think it's I Will Survive. And the part I heard was, and now you're back from outer space, and I find you here with that sad look upon your face. I should have changed that stupid lock or made you leave your key. If I had known for a second you'd be back to bother me. Okay, so maybe 626, maybe it's time to change your phone number for some. Okay. And then I also got the song Sober by Tool. If you're not familiar with the song, I would highly suggest looking up the lyrics. I got a lot of them here, but there were more that stood out to me, but I didn't want to read the whole freaking song. So I got, there's a shadow just behind me, shrouding every step I take, making every promise empty, pointing every finger at me, waiting like a stalking butler, who upon the finger rests. And then it goes on to say, I am just a worthless liar. I am just an imbecile. I will only complicate you. Trust in me and fall as well. All right. So let's see how she fits. Oh, we have the 7 of pipes, but is the 7 of swords reversed. Okay. We have the 5 of pipes or swords. Okay. All right. We have beauty, town beauty, femme fatale, and I'm not feeling the other two are as pertinent here. Okay, that wasn't the right word, but I'm not going to stress about it. We also have obsession, obsessive love, obsessive lover, jealousy, and other. Okay. Okie dokie. We have ask and receive. We have surprise, reversed, with it looks like a bomb with a brain on it. Okay. We have a net catching money. Okay. We have purpose in reverse. I know what I am here to do. Ooh, we have doubt in reverse. I release the need to know all the answers. Okay. And we have, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Let your past go. The burden of carting your past around has made you weary, dear one. It's time to set this burden down. Keep only the lessons and the love and leave everything else behind. You don't want it or need it, and it's now gone. Okay. Okie dokie. So, and now you're back. Oh, funny. Okay, it's not funny. It's really not. Okay, so someone, this part is kind of a little bit, someone is getting caught, or found out, trying to make you feel like a fraud. Okay. I'm hearing they thought they had it in the bag, but surprise, now you are blowing their mind because you somehow saw this coming, and aren't blowing up like they expected. Okay, weird. Now I'm getting a flash of the Joker pressing the bomb button as he was walking away and like trying to make it work, and it wasn't working, and then it blew up. So you're not blowing up the way they expected. I'm hearing you aren't surprised and you aren't amused. Okay. Okay, so I'm getting they've been creating conflict, spilling your bud. That's what the book talks about. And creating discord. I'm getting behind the scenes, like from a distance. Okay. And I'm hearing, yeah, like a troll. They're trying to make you doubt your decisions are sound, or that you're following your purpose or your correct path, or the path that's in your highest good. Okay, and I'm getting this is all in an attempt to catch a free ride. Like, this kind of reminds me of one of those money grab machines where you stand in the machine and you try to grab all the money without working for it. Okay. So I'm getting they're doing this for a free ride, or to distract you from your path or purpose, so you would invest your time and energy into their drama. Okay. Which would get you nowhere. All right. Okay, so I'm getting the sense that they consider you a siren, a femme fatale siren. Okay, so now I'm picturing the movie "Oh Brother, Where Art Thou?" Where the one guy says, what does he say? Them sirens loved him up and turned him into a horny toad. If you're not familiar with the movie, it's about these guys who are running from the law, and one of them disappears after these three beautiful women come in to where they're at the creek singing beautiful songs, and they all pass out from drinking, and the one is missing. And so the not so smart one of the group thinks that he's been turned into a toad by the women because the women are gone. Okay, so that's you may have a good singing voice. You may sing well. So now Sober is playing again. Oh wow. Okay, so Don't trust this person. That's what I'm hearing. Um, this individual may be spying on you online from a distance, looking at your pictures, um, possibly rereading old texts or messages, DMs you've sent. Okay, so back to the voice. Okay, yeah, they're spying on you under fake accounts, lying, and I'm getting again. It's to try to make you doubt that you're doing the right thing. But now, interestingly, I'm picturing Ursula, the sea witch, taking the Little Mermaid's voice. So apparently, your throat chakra is significant. Um, Not only do they and others find you to be easy on the eyes, physically attractive, I'm getting your voice is healing to others, and they wanted, whoa, whoa. I'm getting they wanted to cage you like a songbird, okay? Um, so you would only sing for them. And now, isn't this like a net that people catch butterflies with? So maybe they wanted to profit from your transformation. Okay. Um, I'm also getting that they're jealous. Um, okay, they're jealous of your ability to manifest anything you want. And to them, it seems like you do it easy. Okay. Um, and I'm getting it's because they can't manifest. Um, they're being blocked. Um, Weird. Okay, so they can see because they're spying from a distance with binoculars, because they're waiting like a stalking butler. Okay. Um, they can see if you want peace, you ask spirit, God, your spirit guides, and then you take the necessary steps to get into position to receive. And then, like magic, you receive. Um, you catch it. I'm getting like, pardon the analogies, but like an outfielder in baseball. They don't just randomly catch balls, they have to like actually move into position to catch the ball, right? Okay, so I'm kind of getting that that's more metaphorically speaking about how you do the work to put yourself on a higher timeline or a higher get into a higher vibration to receive the things that you truly want. What was that number? Um, I think it was 525. You may be called to overcome barriers, to move yourself, right? So you can level up and manifest your dreams. Okay. Um, Interesting. Um, so I'm also getting from the song Sober, that this individual may have um, obsessive compulsive tendencies, um, may have put you in a third party situation, maybe not regarding like another person, but more along the lines of substances or alcohol or gambling, something like that. Um, and the only way they know how to manifest is by creating drama, um, and by taking what's not theirs. Um, but I'm getting you're guided, you're highly intuitive, and they just don't have the same effect on you as maybe they once did. Um, hmm. Yeah, that's interesting because, like, with the whole butterfly net here, um, it's kind of creepy. I'm getting the picture of someone taking a butterfly that they've caught and pinning it on a board, like the butterfly pictures of the real butterflies that are dead. Anyways, okay. Um, and those pictures are sold for profit. So, okay. Interesting, but it's a message. Um, okay. So, the guidance here, from what I can see, is first of all, change the stupid lock. um, don't trust that they'll leave the only key, if you know what I mean. And change your number if need be. Uh, you will survive. You will thrive if, as long as you stay on your path, and put yourself in positions to receive the things that you truly want, the things that are in your highest good. And letting this drama starter, peace, happiness thief go. Let them chase someone else's dollar bills. And trust your intuition. Trust your path, your inner voice, and definitely exercise your voice, like exercise communication. Unless it's with this individual, then in that case, I would probably cut off communication altogether, and just let it go. Because I don't see any resolution here on their part. Okay. Okay, now I'm hearing Lauryn Hill, that thing. So, it seems like they're only interested in sex, drugs, and money. Okay, is that all, my dear spirit? Mm-hmm. If you struggle at all with letting this go, ask your spirit guides, ask God for help. And you, as long as you put yourself in a position, okay, so another, I don't know if it's an analogy or metaphor, but another picture I'm getting is monkey bars and having to let go of the last bar to grab onto the next one. Okay. So ask, put yourself in position, and you'll receive. All right. I hope that you found something here helpful. I'm hoping something resonated for you, that you can take with you. And if you like the way I read, I appreciate all the love and support. I really, really do. And I think that's all. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.